Yes, good morning students. I am really very happy we are coming on the fourth lesson, module 1. This is the last lesson, module 1. The name of the lesson is Foreign Investment in India. This again I have divided into 3 parts. So we are discussing part 1. In part 1, we are going to discuss what is FDI and forms of foreign capital and types of FDI. So these points we are going to cover. So the first point which we are going to start about FDI is the foreign investment in India is undertaken in accordance with the FDI policy which is formulated and announced by the Government of India. The Government of India has allowed different channels of investment in India on the basis of entirely of the foreign national. Once the firm undertakes FDI, it becomes multinational enterprise. We all are aware that foreign capital has a significant role to play in every economy. For developed countries, it is necessary to support sustainable development. So foreign capital is very, very important in every economy. Now we will discuss what are the forms of foreign capital, types of foreign capital. Foreign capital is divided into 4 parts. There are 4 types of foreign capital. Number 1, foreign direct investment, FDI. Second, foreign portfolio investment, FPI. It is via foreign institutional investors, FII. Third, depository receipts, American or global. Fourth, debt foreign capital. So briefly I am going to explain about it. The first type of foreign capital is foreign direct investment, FDI. Foreign direct investment is the investment made by a foreign individual or a company in a productive capacity of another country. FDI may take in the form of buying or constructing a factory in foreign country or adding improvements to such facility in the form of property, plants or equipments. That means anything it is considered as foreign direct investment. Second point, foreign portfolio investment, FPI, via foreign institutional investors, FII. Foreign portfolio equity investment involves buying company's share in another country. Third point, depository receipts, American or global. ADR or American Depository Receipts is a negotiable certificate issued by a US bank representing a specified number of shares in foreign stock that is traded on US exchange. Global Depository Receipt is a negotiable instrument issued by depository bank against the domestic shares of the issuing company. The fourth point, debt foreign capital. It comes in the form of loans either from friendly governments or the World Bank or IMF, external commercial borrowings, foreign currency deposits, etc. So this is about the types of foreign capital, 4 types of foreign capital. Now we will start with the new point, types of FDI. As we all are aware, I explained the definition. Once again I will repeat. FDI is the investment made by a foreign individual or a company in a productive capacity of another country. FDI is calculated to include all kinds of capital contributions. Once a firm undertakes FDI, it becomes a multinational enterprise. Now, types of FDI. FDI are classified into 4 parts: greenfield investment and mergers and acquisition, horizontal and vertical investment, upward and inward and outward investment, and according to the World Trade Organization, that we will discuss one by one. Number 1, greenfield investment and mergers and acquisition. Greenfield investment refers to establishing a wholly new operation in a foreign country. Totally new operation, that is called as greenfield investment. Acquiring or merging with an existing firm in the foreign country is acquiring control of existing companies. Second point, horizontal and vertical investment. Horizontal investment refers to FDI in the same industry abroad as a foreign investor company. Now, vertical investment is divided into two parts, backward and forward. Backward investment into industry that provides inputs into a firm's domestic production, and forward investment is this investment in an industry that utilizes the outputs from a firm's domestic production. Third point, inward or outward investment. Inward foreign direct investment is a typical form of what commonly termed as FDI. Outward FDI, also referred as direct investment abroad. So this type you have to write in one line. The explanation can be in one line. Next, according to the World Trade Organization, there are three main categories of FDI. They are equity capital, reinvesting earnings, and other capital. This is what you have to write in the answer of types of FDI and foreign investment in India. Okay. So the question can be, explain what is foreign direct investment. So you have to give this introduction, then forms of foreign capital and types of FDI. Thank you, students.